Hey! In front of me is OPPO Reno6 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Tools folder and tap on it. Then select Recorder and click on this red button to start your recording. Usually you need to click on Allow in the pop-up, but I already did that. Now you can pause your recording by clicking on the red button one more time and unpause it the same way. If you wish to end your recording and save it, click on this right button, name it, and click on this icon at the top right corner of your Save Recording pop-up. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to get rid of it, you need to hold it, tap on this pin icon at the bottom right corner and select Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!